Hello. What do you want me to say? I don't know what to say.
Lord, let's not go through this again.
I'm always the same.
You have done too many videos of this. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Standard J Square Photography, bring you back another video today. Now, today's video, I have back a special guest. It is
Laura.
Yes, she is back with us, guys, and we are going to do a nice boudoir session today. Now, last time you seen Laura was actually we did a swimsuit.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, at the pool, which those photos came out amazing. What do you think?
Well, I love the photos.
Yeah, they did come out amazing. I really did like those photos. A whole good vibe. It was summertime. It was hot that day too, wasn't it? It was super hot that day, but we got it done. So today we're just going to do some little boudoir stuff for it. We're just going to knock it out real good. I'm going to use nothing, but I got an LED right now. Suit photo LED light, just lighting up this whole entire room, what you see right now. And then I got a flash that's going to put a little bit of flash on her, but I'm going to try to make it not too dramatic, but really just kind of nice, even images is what I'm trying to go for today. Other than that, I'm going to use the Nikon Z8 and the Sigma 50 the whole entire time. Maybe pull out the 35 if I need it to be done. So, Laura, are you ready for the shoot?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Double sure.
100%.
Okay, she's ready to go, man. All right, guys. And if, of course, you want to work with all the stuff, it's going to be in the description box below because it's what popped on the screen. Now. Let's get to work, right?
Okay.
All right, let's get to work, guys. Let's get to work. All right, you ready? Yeah, hold that one right there. Yeah, and then look back over to that left side like you was. Yeah, bam, right there with your hand, right? Yep. There you go. Let me switch my focus points here. Yep. Yeah, look at right at me. Yeah, with your hands. I like that. Yep. Good job, Laura.
Oh, I love that one.
Ooh. Really?
I think she's very tall.
Yeah, she is, but you can do it. Bam. Look, she got you right now. She's helping you out. Bam. She got this. Straighten. Yeah. Really try to put those shoulders back in. Really arch that back. There you go. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I'm ready.
Okay. Esa fue mi cosa. Slide that one like
1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. Beautiful, Laura. 1, 2, and 3.
No sé qué más hacer, eso está bien duro, Laura. Es que es más fácil en el suelo. Look, because I have to do this, but right here.
You can do that on the floor if you want to. Good job. Hang on, hold that. I already know what's happening here.
Well, I hold it.
Yep, you gotta hold it now because I have to do this here. Excuse me. Good job. And you want to go on the side like that? Yeah, hold that. Yeah, like that. Bring that leg down a little bit more.
This one?
Yeah, just bring your knee all the way. Touch the bed. There you go. Perfect. There you go. 1, 2, 3. Get in the center, yeah, and then lean your head back for me if you do that pose. Now look at this, I might have to change. Oh no, I don't have to change. I love that. Lift up.
Legs up.
Yeah, get off your legs, lift your leg. No, you're fine. Do that. Just lift, raise. Yeah. Yeah. Then do that, yeah. Yeah, I like that a lot better.
I picked too long.
Yeah, hold it. Yeah, right there, Laura. Hold that pose right there. No, just lean back. You was just right there. Yep, perfect. Yeah, we got some heat today. Laura's coming out here not playing with people. Good job, Laura. Let me see. All right, so what you want to do is put your legs down. It's almost
like this, just like this.
Yeah, but bring this leg over this knee, and you got to scoot that one back.
Okay.
Yeah, and then let me look again. Yeah, because what happened is this one is folded and that one's just lined.
What happened is like she's kind of like this and she's just move this.
Perfect.
Right?
See, yeah, just like that. But bend your left leg a little bit more. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see here.
This leg
I need this knee. I need this knee to come to me. Yeah. And then
I have to hide
and
this
scoot
one
that back. Yeah.
because you have boots. I don't.
Yeah. Hide that one. Bring that one back.
This one.
Yeah. And then perfect. Yeah. Perfect. Let it just. Let me see. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Because we could either use this if you want to sit on this thing, Laura. Huh?
They want none.
Oh yeah. Actually, it's really good.
Yeah, I like that one.
We can use what she was just sitting on, and actually we could just put it right here in the center, and I can shoot you.
This one too.
That's what I'm gonna do is we're gonna use this. So you're gonna sit right here in the center.
Oh yes, I like that one too. I don't know what in here.
Yeah.
Or right there.
Right there.
In the yellow or in the table?
On the yellow.
On the yellow.
On the yellow. Doesn't want to work.
It's okay. It always does when I'm ready.
I know, right? All right, there we go. Now it's ready. All right, 1, 2, 3. Move. Just don't move. Just don't move. All your leg placement, everything is just fire right there. Don't even freaking move. Yeah, everything right there is just fire right there. Yeah. I like the legs placement. Don't move your legs, but straighten up your back a little bit. Thank you. Yeah. Because what I'm going to do is I want to bring you out now.
Where? Well,
I'm going to bring you in the center. Yeah. I'm going to bring you to the center. All right, make sure you stretch your leg back out. Yeah, just like that, Now hold that. Here, give me a couple. All right, get up for a second.
okay.
What I'm gonna do this time is do the sit down again.
Yeah, I want a picture from my face.
I'm gonna get you a picture of your face. Do the same pose.
I'm here?
Yep, same pose.
Okay.
Because I want to get more of your legs in this time.
Okay.
Oh, keep holding it again. I'm gonna get down on this one this time. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, hold that pose just like that, Laura. Yep. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, beautiful. Oh, I love that. With your eyes closed, yeah, hold that. Hold the shoulder just like that again.
Look. I want something like that, but it's like here. But it's kind of like this, you know?
Just scoot over just a tad bit more towards that way for me right there. Yeah. Perfect. Now do it. Yeah.
So it should be.
Yeah, be ready. Lift your head up more. Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, just like that. Hold that. Do that one more time. Hold it. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. There we go. There we go.